I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the low-power objective so you can find and center the specimen safely. This reduces risk of crashing the slide. Use the coarse focus knob to raise the stage until the image appears, then lower slowly until the subject comes into view. Once done, open the condenser and set the iris diaphragm to about 50% to balance contrast and light. Make sure to center a clear landmark on the slide so you have a reliable reference for higher magnifications. Now move to a higher objective like 40x. You keep the specimen centered and switch by rotating the nosepiece. Because the microscope is parfocal, only small fine focus adjustments are needed. Turn the fine knob slowly to sharpen details. Simultaneously tweak condenser height and diaphragm to improve contrast without overexposing the field. If resolution seems soft, clean optics and realign the parfocal screws. Make sure to adjust light intensity incrementally so you preserve specimen detail and avoid glare. For the last steps, engage oil immersion only when using a 100x objective and apply a single drop of immersion oil. Rotate the oil lens into place and use the fine focus to achieve sharpness. After focusing, lower the stage and wipe oil off the 100x lens with lens paper. If the image is dim or uneven, check lamp voltage and bulb centering, then recenter the condenser. If blurring persists, clean the objective and cover slip and confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.